Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 9005 in League of Legends. This version of Vanguard requires a TPM version 2.0 and UEFI compliant firmware in order to use virtualization-based security, which means that you have to enable Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 on your motherboard for it to work properly, or downgrade to Windows 10. So here's what you gotta do. The first thing you want to do is go to search, type in CMD, click run as an administrator, allow it, and then type in here bcd edit space set space hypervisor launch type space off, and then press enter, and it says the operation completed successfully. Now type exit. After it, you want to go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this tpm.msc. Once it opens, it will say here the status. If it says not ready to use, then you have to enable it in BIOS. I'll show you now how to enable it. Also, you want to go back to search one more time and type in run again. And in run, you want to type in ms info 32. Press OK, and then in here you want to look for secure boot state. If it says off, you have to enable it in BIOS also. And you want to look for baseboard product. For me, it's B450 Gaming Pro. And copy this, the baseboard product. And now you want to go to YouTube or paste the whatever it says it's for you there. Type in B450 Gaming Pro, and then type in first TPM 2.0. And then you find a video which looks the same as your motherboard BIOS, and then you enable the TPM 2.0. I'll show you my video since I have it for my motherboard.
This is how you enable TPM 2.0 on MSI motherboard. So you restart the PC. And then spam delete key till you open BIOS. Once you're in the BIOS, head over to Security tab, click on Trusted Computing, and then Security Device Support, enable that, and then leave this AMD CPU TPM enabled. Once you've done that, head over to Save, click on Save Changes and Reboot, and that's it. That's how you enable TPM 2.0.
Now, if you're panicking and your motherboard is super old, or your PC is older and you don't have a TPM module on your motherboard, fear not, you don't have to buy a new PC for you to be able to play the game. You can buy simply the module, which is I don't know, 20 bucks or less on AliExpress. And then you simply plug it into your motherboard and go over through the step where you just enable the TPM 2.0 in the BIOS, and then you should be able to play Valorant normally, and you don't have to buy a super expensive or a new PC for it to work. I'll leave links down below for Amazon and AliExpress for the modules. Now, the only thing you gotta look for is look for one which is the same. It says for ASUS, for MSI, for ASRock. Depending on your motherboard manufacturer, you want to buy that version of the TPM 2.0 module so it fits and it works properly. And now I'll show you how to enable Secure Boot. Also, basically you type in also the same B450 for me or whatever it says for you, Gaming Pro, and then type in Secure Boot, and I'll show you in my video, but for you, look for whatever works for your motherboard or whatever it says in the MS info for your motherboard.
Showing you how to change the BIOS on MSI motherboard. I have B450, I think, with updated BIOS, so it looks like this. So you won't be able to play Valorant and I don't know what, maybe League incoming if you don't have the secure boot enabled. So what you want to do is go advanced, find Windows OS configuration, enter that, change this. If it's on CSM, change it to UEFI. Once you change it, restart the the computer again and enter BIOS again, and then go to secure boot. Change this to standard. It will be on like custom. This change it to standard, and then like change this to enabled, and then restart it again, and it should work.
And after you have enabled both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, you should relaunch the game, and the game should work properly without any issues or any problems. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vayner 9005 in League of Legends. The links will be down below. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.